and gentlemen, we shift our attention from theatrics in Sansad to political theatre in Karnataka. After Chief Minister Siddaramaiah broke idlis with Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar on Saturday, the stage is now set for round 2 of Breakfast Pe Charcha or Breakfast Diplomacy, call it what you will. This time, D.K. Shivkumar will be playing the host. He has been complaining of being given a raw deal, but is set to serve chicken to the man he seeks to replace as Chief Minister. However, when Times Now asked him about the menu on the talks table, the Deputy Chief Minister chose to keep it a secret. Another secret is what is playing on the minds of those in the high command. Are the decision makers trying to shrug their responsibility when they ask their senior-most leaders to settle it amongst themselves on a breakfast table with idlis and filter coffee? After Bengaluru, the action is likely to shift to Delhi. So can and will the Congress High Command that has been watching from the sidelines bite the bullet or the idli? Or like Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab, will they chicken out when it comes to taking a call? Well, joining me on the debate...
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Shehzad Anand, Sanjay Jha and Syed Asad Abbas. Sanjay Jha, just what's going on? You know, ek din idhar breakfast, ek din udhar breakfast. Earlier on, we've never seen them giving each other a cup of chai also. And now so many idlis, so many breakfasts, so many filter coffees. To what end? At the end of the day, is the problem resolved or is this theatre likely to continue?
Navika, I'll tell you what is different here. You know, unlike Rajasthan between Gehlot and Sachin, or in Punjab between Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, or Chhattisgarh or even Madhya Pradesh, here you have two people who have been instrumental in making the Congress triumphant, not just in the last assembly elections, but they have been consistently good performers. And they actually have a very, I would say, a very... Now, the problem for the Congress is that I do completely, I'm convinced that there was an understanding, obviously these are verbal, that at some point there will be a transfer of authority or power to DK. Now, I think that's where the whole situation is. I don't think these two gentlemen are...
Well, that's where the whole situation has been for 2.5 years, my friend. And the solution hasn't been found. Both of them have a mature relationship, Anand Ranganathan. The only thing that's getting mature is the idli and the breakfast parties, yeah.
No, I think that's the complicated element in the relationship, but the Congress leadership will have to troubleshoot it sooner rather than later.
Kab, sir? Yahi to pooch rahi hu. Kab? When?
Now,
well, I guess after the idli, the dosa will follow.
Will you guys, both of you, stop mentioning idli after every sentence? My mouth is watering. And Navika, you know, for heaven's sake, we've had so many disagreements. You've never called me for breakfast. I mean, this is a Punjabi genes, I think that works.
We don't have a high command monitoring us, sweetie.
But, you know, I must compliment Sanjay for being very, I would say, refreshingly frank when he brings out all the disagreements that have happened historically over the last decade or so in different states. Of course, he forgot to mention that Sachin pilot pe, you know, sedition charge thok diya tha. That's another matter. But he's right. But I want to leave this as a thought, seed this thought in a lot of people. Name me one decision that Siddaramaiah has taken, or if D.K. Shivkumar becomes the Chief Minister, he would take, that would go against the High Command's wishes. That would be overturning the diktat of the High Command. There can never be a decision. And if that is the case, why fight between yourselves as to who should be the Chief Minister? After all, every decision is dependent upon what the High Command says. So work as a team.
But that is the problem in this case. The High Command is not saying anything. And the High Command is finding it difficult to choose. And Shehzad Poonawalla, ये High Command की problem क्या है? Eagleton Resort belongs to D.K. Shivkumar. Is that the problem? Siddaramaiah, the caste combination, the ground support, is that the problem? What is the real problem here?
The problem is that High Command is neither high nor having command. And therefore, this kind of situation has arisen not once but many times. This is called breakup before breakfast एंड ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद मेकअप, एंड मेकअप के बाद कुछ वेकअप नहीं है। अभी भी देखिए जिस प्रकार से बोल रहे हैं कि डोसा होगा, इडली होगा, चिकन होगा, पीपल आर नॉट द मेनू, पीपल्स वर्क इज नॉट ऑन द मेनू। पॉटहोल से लोग मारे जा रहे हैं, ट्रैफिक की समस्या है। There's one more statement made by Rajiv Rai of Samajwadi Party against the traffic situation in Karnataka. Then we have seen the economic crisis. We have seen how women are suffering in Bengaluru and in Karnataka. We have seen the crisis that has taken place in terms of corruption. So people are clearly not on the menu. और इडली डोसा तो पता नहीं पार्टी की चटनी बन गई, और ये चटनी बनाने के पीछे हाई कमांड ही है। पंजाब में चटनी बनाई, राजस्थान में चटनी बनाई, हिमाचल में चटनी बनाई, असम में चटनी बनाई,
मध्य प्रदेश
में चटनी बनाई। और ये क्यों? Just 5 seconds, Anand ji, 5 seconds. I'll tell you why. There are two reasons. When the high command is weak, Navika ji, then the only way to retain power is दो लोगों को लड़ाओ और बॉस बनो, और दोनों लोगों से सेवा पानी लो।
बेटा,
दोनों से सेवा पानी लो।
Okay, well, सेवा पानी, I don't know what that सेवा पानी really means, and
डीके शिव कुमार को फोन करो, वो तो आपके अच्छे मित्र, बहुत इंटरव्यू देते हैं।
Sayyid Asad Abbas, I want to ask you, does the High Command not understand that this is a problem where a state may just go out of their hands, just like the previous states where there have been such fights have gone out of their hands? Are they in some deep slumber? Are they expecting कि सचमुच कलयुग है और कृष्ण भगवान प्रकट होंगे, और whichever God they believe in will be प्रकट on the dharti and take a solution? Why can't they resolve this problem? This endless breakfast, what is this achieving?
Navika ji, firstly, I have great news to share to my dear friend Shehzad of the BJP. Be it DK Shiv Kumar or Siddaramaiah, it will be a Congress chief minister with 136 MLAs supporting the Congress party, and BJP has no chance. My friend, you mentioned of potholes, and you mentioned that Karnataka in a crisis. Let me tell you, sir, Karnataka is the second largest contributor of the GDP of the nation. When it comes to GST collection, we are number 2.
Sir, I know all this theory. I know all this theory. Please tell me when the CM decision will be taken.
Come, I will make a prophecy on your show. Come January, Siddaramaiah ji will become the longest serving chief minister in the political history of Karnataka. He will break the record of Devaraj Arrest. Immediately followed by February, there will be a budget session which will be presented by Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji. So therefore, whichsoever decision the High Command takes, it will be a Siddaramaiah or a DK Shiv Kumar. ये भाजपा कर्नाटक की
भैया, आप DK Shiv Kumar को बता दीजिए. He is the one looking for an answer. We are only watching the breakfast exchange that is happening.
Secret deal has been done. He has said this.
Who?
Secret deal हुआ है. Shiv Kumar 3 days ago said
Of
secret
course,
deal. What is the secret deal?
And Anand Ranganathan, I only want to say that such frequent breakfasts in North India, well, cannot be done. Puri chole, chole bhature are not good for health. We can't do it so often. Idlis are steamed, so they are better. We'll have to end
and
it there.
On a lighter note, I just wish Shehzad a very quick recovery, because he sounds a lot like Piyush Goyal ji.
Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with the News Hour at 9.